Okay, in order to plot a parabola through these points, the first thing I'm going to take note of is the vertex. The vertex clues us in on how many spaces we shift from the origin. It looks like we go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, which means we're going to have an x minus 4 inside the squared. Then I see that we go down 1, 2 to get to the vertex. So I'm going to say minus 2. So it's going to be x minus 4 raised to the second power minus 2. Let me plug that in and check it to see if it works. Okay, we got minus 4. Whoops, messed up there. So we got x minus 4. Close that parenthesis, raised to the second power. And then we're going to minus 2. All right, let's check it. Oh, check that out. So now our vertex is where it needs to be, but it's not quite hitting this point or this point right here. So we need to make this parabola fatter. Or I guess it would be nicer to say a little wider. And so in order to do that, we have to change the A. So what is the A going to equal? Actually, let's use a different color. Let's use orange. 1. And that's because I know that the A equals 1 right now because there is no number right there, right outside the parentheses. Now earlier, we talked about how when A is less than 1, but when it's also greater than 0, so pretty much it's a fraction, it would make my parabola wider. Okay, now you are taking a guess here, or you can go off of what we were talking about before. Starting at the vertex, because I'm counting 1, 2, and then up 1, 2, my A is going to equal 1 over 2. So I'm going to put 1 over 2 right before those parentheses to see what we get. All right, let's get that cursor over there to the right spot. And I'm going to put 1 divided by 2. And then check my work, and boom, I hit it. Okay, so we got to the vertex by changing the h and the k, and then we widened our parabola by putting a fraction in front of the parentheses.